Curious about where university education could take you? The Gateway program builds your academic skills and knowledge so you can plan your future with confidence. It's free and available if you're in Year 11 or 12 or have an ATAR from within the last 5 years. You'll also need to meet one of these 4 equity criteria. The Gateway program gives you the chance to experience what uni is really like, from campus visits and hands-on workshops to online learning and conversations with UNSW students and staff. As you go, you'll build the study skills you need for success, explore faculties, and discover degrees that align with your strengths and interests. If you're in Year 11 or 12, you'll also have access to exclusive HSC resources to get a head start in preparing for your exams. Along the way, we'll guide you in preparing a strong Gateway admission pathway application to be considered for an early offer to UNSW. Make your journey to university an easy one and register for the Gateway program through our website today.